Recording has been started. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to today's session. So, hello Pranjal,
Hello
hello
Akhil.
Anubhav.
Hello Akhil. Hello Pranjal. How are you?
Hello Akhil, hello Anubhav, hello Canton family.
Yeah, Pranjal, keep your mic little bit distance from your mouth. Little bit
Okay,
distance, not
okay.
close. Yeah, yeah,
Now okay.
yeah. It's now
Yeah,
perfect.
it's okay.
So, Anubhav, we will start from a little vocabulary words. So, please
Yeah.
start by that only.
Okay. So let's today we'll discuss about three kind of words which we will use while we are busy, right?
Yeah.
So first word is like swamped. SWAMPED.
Okay.
Yeah, swamped is a word to show that you are crazy busy with work and you feel really overwhelmed by it. Like it's tough to finish everything you have to do.
Yeah. It's tough to finish
So
the things you have to do, and that is when we use the word swam. I'm swamped with a work or
yeah,
something.
like if you are doing some projects, like if someone is asked, can you come with me for dinner? Then you just answered right. I wish I could, but I am totally swamped with my project. Right?
Okay.
You are
Okay.
not completing that. You are just in completing phase, but not completed it. Right?
Okay. Is swamped is used to denote the busyness of anything, or it's
Yeah.
just related to work. Like I can be busy with my, like people. I can be busy with my eating stuff. So can I say that I
Yeah.
am swamped with bathing, or I am swamped with like anything?
Yeah, actually, this word is used when you feel like really overwhelmed by it, something, right?
Oh, yeah, that is the
Or
correct
you are facing
definition.
toughness like to finish that thing, like your
Okay,
projects or any.
now I got the thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. The second one is like snowed, snowed under, SNOWED or UNDER, snowed under.
yeah. So I think
Okay.
snowed under means like you are burdened with the work, or you are upside. You are the whole thing is what we say, like the mountain of snow is in your back or something like that.
Yeah, yeah. I actually when you are like stressed out by those things, right?
Yeah.
Like snowed under is something means to very busy with something and you feel overwhelmed and stressed
Stressed.
about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think
Okay, let's
these are the common words. I thought that these are the special words. Like swamp means swamp. Actually, swamp means daldal and something. That when you are stuck with that, you in swamps you can't walk easily, and you can't swim, and you can't perform actions easily. So I think
yeah,
from there, swamp word is used in work.
yeah.
Except we can't
I'll
do.
give you one example, right?
Yeah.
Like if someone asks person, right, how's your semester going? Then the answer given by another person, right, it's not good. I just feel completely snowed under with all assignment and presentation. You know,
Okay.
stress,
Yeah.
some kind of stress in
Yeah.
his mind, right?
Yeah, I got that thing when something is about snowed under. Snow and under, you are inside the ice and all snow. So that is the idea behind using that word. Nice words. And one more word
Yeah,
is coming on the way.
yeah. And the third one is like a tied up.
Tied up. T I E
Tied.
D U
Yeah,
P.
I think you all are very known
Yeah, yeah,
by that word, right? It's okay. No, so that, but I can explain
yeah. Yeah,
also.
you should
I can
explain
explain.
also. Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, so to be tied up means like to be busy, to be so busy that you are unable to see or speak to anyone or unable to do anything else. Like you are
Okay.
literally tied up with rope and you can't do it anything else.
Yeah. Tied
So
up means that you are constrained to something. And that is
yeah,
the idea, I guess.
in that
Like,
situation you don't want to talk anyone or even you don't want to listen anyone. Just you want to just relax or some kind of peace of mind, right?
yeah.
Relax or we were like engaged in something. Like we are doing something, we are busy in that.
Uh, no, actually, in tied up situation, like you are like so much tired. Like in that
No,
situation,
no,
you
no,
just
no.
want rest.
No, 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 it is not like that. Tied up means like you are constrained to do something.
Yeah,
You are not
We
relaxing
are
or
engaged
something.
in
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, that is tired up. You are saying you are talking about
tied
tired
up,
up.
tied up.
Tired
At
up.
tired up. Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
and Anubhav is speaking about tied up, and he is
Yeah,
giving an
exactly.
and he is giving meaning, and he is little bit confused with tired up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Those words the
Those were,
pronunciation of the
yeah.
words are similar. That's why.
Similar, yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's give me one example to you guys. Like if someone is someone is asked, "Do you think you could help me with this report?" Then the another person replied that, "Sorry, I would if I could, but I am tied up with my own work at the moment."
Yeah, so that is the meaning. Like he is constrained to his work only. Like whenever you get tied up with rope, you can just manage to move your body until some
Yeah.
extent, until the rope allows you to do. So that from there the word has been originated, like tied up in using works and all. So
Yes, Akil.
yeah, swammed. First word is swammed. Swam derived from the
Snowed
swam
under.
thing. When you can't move, actually you have a
Yeah.
lot of work to do. And though those these three words are kind of similar words and synonyms of each other, we can say.
Yeah, but we can use
Yeah, in
in
different
different ways, right?
context.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
snowed under is mean like you are with little bit with stress.
Stress about it, something. Yeah.
Yeah, and then tied up means you are constrained to do it. So
Yeah.
okay, no problem. So we got three new words to say someone while we are chatting or we are talking, and it will make
Even that
little. Yeah,
even that time we will use this word, right?
yeah. You are free and you are saying that I am busy. Like how is
Yeah, yeah.
so instead of just saying that I am busy and I am working, let's be I am snowed under my work. And he will
But
search
no one,
first.
but
He will
no
go
one
to
see you, right?
first
No one
first
see you. You are busy or not.
Yeah,
You can say.
first the person will go to Google and what the snow word means this word. So it will be nice. Okay, so Rishabh is little busy with busy, like farewelling friends. They are going to home, so
Okay.
he's saying bye bye to them.
Our batchmates are
Yeah, our
going to
batchmates.
home,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Some of them, some came, some are not. Okay, so no
Okay.
problem. I think Rishabh will be alone. No, no, he will not be alone. There are people also. And after Pranjal arrives, Bilaspur, we will pay a visit to Rishabh. I am
Yeah,
also
yeah.
wishing to go since many times, but I haven't stepped out from my home until yesterday. Until yesterday, I came out of my home and saw that city is very clean after the lockdown. Patch,
Actually, today, yeah.
some
See,
patches of road has been filled, and some road has been became patches. That thing also happened. They like dig the whole Bilaspur things again and again. I think they will find something more precious than what diamond and gold inside Bilaspur is.
yeah, same here for me. Like, I think after 2 months, I just go to like outside my house, uh, outside my house in some due to some bank work, and I see like no traffic is there in the road, right?
And that feels very good.
Yeah,
Yeah, less
I
pollution,
just
less
go.
people.
Yeah, I went to just bank and just return. So as return in was very small duration, right? Which take lots of time for me to go.
Okay. So Pranjal,
Yeah, yeah.
you are quite for a very long time. So let's listen a story from you of anything if you have some. Like, or you can say some facts about you if you have read somewhere like
Mm.
Chhattisgarh or anything, or you can talk about festival, or you can talk about anything coming in your mind. And Rishabh is joining us. So he pretty fastly done his work. I just said them that Rishabh will not join
He's a
us
yeah,
today
yeah. He's a
because
smart
he,
guy. No,
yeah,
everyone know that.
Hello, Rishabh.
Hi everyone,
Hi, sir.
I'm back. Sorry for late, bro.
yeah, no problem.
No, bro,
Okay, bro.
you are up
Yeah,
to
I
date,
am little
right?
busy in work.
No, you are
Now
not
you
busy in work.
completed, right?
You are not busy in work.
You are
You
not
are
busy, no? Yeah.
you are swamped with work.
Yeah,
You are same with
exactly.
work, right, right.
Anubhav told us three new words to say while you are
Yeah,
busy while working or something like that. First thing is swamped.
Ma'am.
Yeah,
SWAMPED. Swamped. Swamped is when you are very much busy in your work, you can't do anything else.
oh,
And
and other one?
second word is snowed under.
under.
Okay, snowed means
Snowed under.
yeah, SNOWED, snowed, UNDER,
Hmm.
under. That means that you are very busy, but you are also having stress.
Overwhelmed and stress, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And another word is tied up, like you are tied up to your work and all. So that is you have
Huh.
heard also. So those three words Anubhav said, and you said that as soon as you came, you are busy. So it's a
Swam.
coincidence. So okay, no
You are
problem.
swam with your work, right?
Pranjal was going to say some, tell us some story or something,
Yeah, sure.
or a fact,
Yeah.
or whatever he likes to say, because he's quite for a long time now.
Uh, I think lockdown is over in Bilaspur.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
Partially.
yeah. Partially it is in night
Not
or something.
partially. Today I visit Bilaspur for the question paper answer sheet for 12th student.
And CBSE boards are cancelled.
Yeah,
Cancel the 12th
Yeah,
CBSE,
exam.
yeah.
CBSE and ICSE.
Yeah, I heard about the. I heard about this.
Yeah,
Right.
because they
I
don't,
about like exams. How they cancelled the intermediate exams.
Yeah, they can do anything. We will be again turn into farmers, and we will just
Oh,
feed the whole world by our hard work. And again they will come, someone make us slaves. We will also fight again for freedom, and those cycle will be on for 100 years.
one of the my friend, he failed 3 times in 12th, and after three
That's good
times,
time for
he
that's
was
good time for him, right?
three after 3 times in fourth attempt he passed the 12th exam, and in, after that lockdown will happen and
Oh
all
shit!
Oh,
student will happen. He recently said me that why COVID pandemic not happen in the that year. Then I
exam
am
time.
also in also in a college life. You all he is in first year.
Actually, I think that God like if they survive for 3 years, then they can pass in the fourth year, right? That's
Yeah,
why
yeah.
that's
So
the reason.
Pranjal was telling about his incident today. So let's listen him.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
so I feel that after a long time, where is Corona? And I think where Corona gone totally finished. Yeah, matlab.
I
So today matlab, the in road the people gathering like earlier before COVID.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I feel means they are in a critical time, like people in feel that means क्या बोलना चाहिए?
feel good
Oh,
or
he
free.
not feel good.
People worried
Okay.
matlab, means people worried to stay from 2 meters and
Yeah, yeah.
wear mask. These all things means people not caring about this. It means it is over means over.
Yeah,
let
yeah.
it be, let it be.
Yeah,
It's not.
whatever will
Yeah.
happen, we will face that. And when
We will tell that.
when the graph rises, they just frightens up. They put status on their WhatsApp like we are
Yeah, yeah,
mask, be 2 meter away, 3 meter away,
yeah.
and then they delete and then they destroy all the warnings and laws by themselves after the lockdown opens. And
So
same goes with us too.
I,
And same goes with everyone. We are not blaming anyone. We people
yeah,
too do
I'm
the same thing because you can't resist those things when you meet to someone.
Yeah,
right,
exactly.
right. Now it is over. I think we have finished
No,
it. Like,
no, nothing has been finished. Like
Mm.
actually, people who are suffering, they know the things, and
they know the things.
yeah,
Yeah,
and
right,
people
right.
actually who haven't suffered, it's like for nothing matters. Like when Ebola and all those virus emerge in Africa, how does it affected to Indians? It haven't affected to Indians. Am I right, Rishabh? Like
Yeah,
who,
yeah.
yeah, whoever suffers the most and whoever suffers, they know the pain and all those things. But we can't do because we are very much, like a socialized.
I mean, in second wave, I think every family are affected.
Yeah. Because
Yeah, most of
in
them. Yeah.
first I haven't listened
The
any
thing
news
is,
from my nearby people, but in
Mm.
second I have listened out many people.
Yeah, in first
and
wave, my
in
family.
second wave, the thing is
In
like,
second, most of the news here is like
most
it's
youngest
all about
people,
death
like
and COVID,
strongest
right?
and youngest people, are
Mm.
means they can,
Yeah,
yeah,
younger people also got affected in second wave,
yeah.
and it's just because like after first wave, young people are so much into the all those stuffs and roaming here and there, all those things. We too have done that, but we are very much fortunate that we haven't catch the virus.
Yeah, people just starting taking precaution while they heard about the death ratio, even all that things. After that, they just scared about
Yeah, and
scared from that, right?
yeah, and data is saying about the third wave. I don't know much about that thing, but
Yeah,
also there is a prediction of coming of third wave
yeah,
in which month I
and
don't
they
know.
will, and they are preparing for third wave, right?
Who are preparing for third wave?
No, I
Or
think in one speech or kind of thing, our prime minister just
I
gave
don't
attribute
know
like
that what is the preparation and what is the thing actually, because after uh, like it's very much obvious when pandemic comes, it ruptures the bone of every state, every country.
yeah,
Like America, Spain,
definitely.
and Italy, all those countries are very much developed and they are so much invested in the healthcare and all, but they also
Yeah,
get their spine also got ruptured. And we in India, there is no much so much investment in healthcare and all, and so we have also get ruptured. We can't blame anyone because it's the mistake from the government too, from the people too, from everyone. The mistake is of everyone. We can't blame to one person. And what is the matter of
yeah.
blaming to one? Because nothing, like nothing can come up your dead people once. So Rishabh,
And
yeah. What
yeah,
and what?
yeah, and one more news like which I which I have seen, right, like RAF person, right, RAF soldier, right, soldier, we can say soldier,
What is
just gathered with,
RAF?
yeah, rapid action force,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
RAF
which is
soldiers,
connected with NID now, and
yeah.
yeah, National Defense
When situation
Association.
are when situation are
Huh.
out of control, then that
Control
kind of
then.
force control the whole.
Okay. They are making a committee of this NAF,
No.
RAF.
No,
Actually,
no, RAF, rapid action force.
this is the committee of seven, maybe 500 soldiers.
Okay.
When there is a panic situation in anywhere in the
Area.
country,
Yeah,
then they give to they have to
they
control.
give command to
Huh.
them, right?
Hmm.
Yeah,
Rapid Action
Yeah,
Force guys.
yeah,
yeah.
because they
Before
react
the
whenever anytime.
I know about it. Before the 9/11 incident, there is only one department. There is only one location of the NDA RFA. Otherwise, in Delhi, but and it took 3 and 4 hours to 3 to 4 hours
Reach
to
there. Reach
complete
there.
reach there in Mumbai. Then after the government decided we have to make more location in the
It
India.
was 26/11. You are saying 9/11. I was
Sorry,
thinking
sorry,
about
sorry, sorry,
USA.
sorry,
How?
sorry,
Yeah,
sorry, sorry. My
I also
mistakes.
remember.
No
Sorry, sorry.
problem. No problem.
Don't worry, don't
2611,
Yeah.
2611 in 2008.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Then,
yeah,
Congress government passes the rule that we have to make many location in India to command and control the panic situation.
Yeah.
yeah. And like two soldiers of RAF, like they are gathered by some people and just beaten by them. I don't know
Where?
why
Where?
these guys do it. Yeah, they just
Those
like
are anti-social people. I don't know that what is the thing they cause.
like matlab, there is so much crowded place and people they do this like they are captured in like camera.
Okay.
They definitely they will they will captured by police and police like, arrested them, right?
Yeah. Where it happened in UP or something.
Yeah, UP.
Then they will be taken care of. No problem.
Yeah,
Acha, Anubhav,
yeah.
can you tell about the Air Force? I think in Allahabad Air Force Center.
Allahabad Air Force Center.
No, any force center have in Allahabad. I
He
I
think.
he is
don't
from
know.
Lucknow.
Yeah, in Lucknow there is a one air force station. I
Sorry,
think
sorry.
from
In at
yeah,
Lucknow, bro.
there is a one air force station 15 kilometers away from my home.
Oh,
Hmm.
Yeah,
nice. You must listen sounds of the those air jets and all. And you must have shown people, long, tall people, and some guys with white and aviator goggles put it on their faces.
actually, the place where air force station is located, it's so much
Yeah, it's with so much
inner. Yeah,
security. It's in high
yeah,
security.
security, and in also like so much dense, so much like open area, so we can't go there.
Yeah, there
So
is a boundary with like a ground around
yeah,
the whole thing. You just can see trees and
yeah,
ground stuff.
I can see when they are flying from
Also, have you watched the movie of Deccan? Sorry. I Telugu movie Udan.
No.
Udan. No, I can't. I think I
Please
didn't
watch
watch.
that movie. This is the biopic of the Deccan Airlines. How Deccan Airlines will started in
Okay.
India. Yeah. Um,
Ne- okay.
the man who started the Deccan Airlines, he is the ex Air Force
Oh,
Army. Yeah.
okay, no problem. We will
Okay.
watch
Yeah,
The
that.
this is
name of
very
movie like
essential.
Udan, right?
Yeah, this is very interesting story because an IMB rating 9 point something.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good.
recent you have seen the memes of that Telugu movie has reached the 9 point something IMB rating.
Definitely, I will watch. Yeah.
Yeah, it is present in Amazon Prime in the Hindi version Udan. Please
Oh,
watch.
I think in Netflix too.
Netflix
Okay.
too.
do
Yeah,
you
yeah.
use Netflix, Pranjal?
No.
Is it running on your mobile?
On your device.
My Netflix will stop, bro.
Mine has been stopped since ages.
Yeah, same here.
If you are using, it's okay. You can watch.
Have you guys have second season? Have you guys of link of second season of Game of Thrones? Because I just completed season one.
I will send the links to. I will send the links to you.
Yeah, that's good for you, me.
Hey, when you started GOT?
I think I just started
Really, bro?
GOT. Yeah. Before I
Hey,
think
one
before
second. Stop, bro.
one,
Akhil, really?
I haven't started. Anubhav started. I haven't started.
yeah,
I will
me
start
started.
someday.
Anubhav, please watch and give review to the Akhil that he must have to watch.
I don't need, like I don't need review of anyone. I will watch that thing, but I am not in currently now. I'm not in mood of binge watching or becoming a fan of
Actually,
Akhil. Every
actually,
cricketer.
I in
One
last
second.
episode of season one,
Yeah, this is
the
the
end.
boom.
Yeah,
Do not say
the end
a
of whole
spoiler, bro.
episode just become curious to feel curious to me like what in second episode or
Yeah,
second season first episode
this is
actually.
the sweet poison, bro. This show
Yeah.
is sweet poison. One second.
like like like
One
Bahubali
second.
Bahubali को कटप्पा ने
Yeah.
क्यों मारा?
No. In the just like in Indian cricket, everyone to gain like the respect like the Sachin Tendulkar. Same here happen. Every series want to gain the fame of the GOT.
Yeah.
Okay. I
And
I
I
I know I have listened more. I'm listening continuously from you. Watch Jyoti. I will watch that thing for one day. I'm little bit.
in your free time, right?
You are
Yeah.
talking about
Still
Game
you
of
are
Thrones,
so smart.
GOT.
Yeah.
Still Akhil are so much like snowed under, right?
No, I'm
Under
not
some
snowed under.
kind of
Actually,
thing.
I'm not in actually in watching and all. I will first of all, I will get my eye checked up. I will have new spectacles. My power has been in.
So
I think that it is being raised up. Uh, so
actually, same problem faced by me. Like from 2 months, I didn't wear my spectacles properly. After
But
that, I feel
but
some kind of
Anubhav,
headache in my
you
mind, in my head.
you really
After that,
enjoy, bro.
just start.
Please do not skip the single scene, bro.
No, bro, I do.
after
I never
after
skip.
after the completing the whole series, you will be just feel this is the legend, so bro.
Yeah, sure. And also, I started like Harry Potter from first movie. I
Bro,
completed first movie, and I think I was second today.
okay.
Why
And
Pranjal are so much like
Pranjal, I have,
patience?
like installed Pranjal one app for watching animes, and I have mentioned a anime called Ping Pong.
Pranjal, are you doing like your push-ups daily?
No, he's in
No,
villages
no,
and
no.
he's in village
no,
and
he is.
he's in village and due to his noise he was not. Oh, okay, he unmuted his mic.
Okay.
He's having little bit noise in his home, so that is why.
Where is Adit Barbanik, bro?
Aditya is in his cave. He will come tomorrow.
But he just told me like, is there an online session happening on right or not? I just
No,
abuse
we
him.
have deleted the channel. Save.
I just abuse them. How how can you ask
Okay,
me
so
regular
let's
in
let's
regularly?
let's discuss one thing. Like I and Pranjal were in I in after meet yesterday, and I discussed
Hmm.
this with Rishabh little about like speaking reading of some of Bhagavad Gita in English and discussing it here.
Hmm.
And we will be whatever people we are with, like 2 to 4 people or 3 people, we will just discuss 1, 2, 3, 4 slokas of that one after another, and we will upload that thing only once in a week, not daily. So we will actually I will send the Bhagavad Gita by ISKCON. So in there, the explanation of the sloka is also with there. You don't have to scribble your head. You don't have to scratch your head much about the meaning and all those stuffs. So there will be Sanskrit followed by words, meaning of the Sanskrit words, and meaning
In
of
the
and explanation of this. Not only just
Akhil.
yeah.
Your favorite teacher, Devan sir, message in the group. Why only two students give the attendance today?
Why is he mad
actually,
or something?
if we want, then we will provide attendance. Well, we will give attendance,
We
right?
have we already have given earlier than those 2 people.
Today, bro. The someone said that There is summer vacation, sir.
Actually, I think he is unaware about our summer vacation, right?
No, no, he's already in summer vacation since 1 year.
Uh,
So what
Oh
what
my
what do you
God.
guys think? Can we do this thing if you are
yeah,
interested?
yeah.
Yeah,
Once in a
sure.
week, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
And we discuss on a mythology story
Yeah,
also.
we can discuss about anything, whatever you like. And one junior contacted me about the channel. So
Oh,
he wanted to join us. Like he will not come daily. We will not allow
okay, okay.
those people
Oh,
daily. Uh, from IT, he was junior of Aditya Pramanik, directly descendant of Aditya Pramanik, IT guy. His name is. He will come today. I said him like you can join tomorrow.
huh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyone can be joined.
Can be joined. What do you think? I think they are trying to get some fun and also.
Huh,
No
Yeah.
problem.
yeah.
So
It's good that our junior are trying.
yeah, they can open their channel. They can do everything. What no
Yeah.
problem. So Pranjal, when there will be less noise in you, you can say something like you stop saying, or Rishabh is also quite. Rishabh, how was your
No,
day?
no. It's so a little busy, bro.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
how many people gone?
Only Deepu.
Okay.
Near temple people. What
That
he said.
Bhakti and so
Yeah, I think there is some kind of sound, right,
there's
in that area.
only Deepu. His train is at 12 a.m.
Okay.
Tomorrow at morning, my brother
Brother
Avinash,
and Jatin.
Jatin.
Okay.
After one day, Naidu.
Naidu came?
Yeah, Naidu came in morning, bro.
Okay, you guys haven't told me. I think I will. I last time I haven't met him. I will come when he will go.
Maybe day after tomorrow.
So if possible, I will come tomorrow. If possible,
Okay. Mm.
Sorry, bro, spell mistake. Okay.
he came to take his scooter.
Yeah, yeah. His room was the back end. Everyone take their goods, bro.
Okay,
You have a scooter?
scooty.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Scooty.
scooty. Okay, okay.
No problem. If they are leaving the home, then they will abandon the whole home. Why they bought the home when there was already a lockdown? So
Yeah.
no problem about them. So
If I go,
Like,
I went to home, then I will not come here, bro. Not even farewell.
like today we discuss like 3 to 4 new words on regular basis, so that we can improve, right? Improve our
Yeah.
vocabulary. Okay.
yeah. So it's about already 33 minutes, and I should stop the recording, and
Yeah.
we will come tomorrow with better topics and better discussion session. So
Yeah.
Sure, sure, sure.
thank you guys.
Actually,
Thank.
today is, I think,
Thank you, everyone.
Tuesday. So in my near temple, Hanuman temple, there
Okay,
is like bhajan and going on. So
okay, so no problem, no
the
problem.
noise is coming, you
I'm
know.
yeah,
Okay, okay,
I'm
no problem,
stopping the
bro.
recording and I wait until I upload those things and then you guys can leave.
Yeah.
Okay.